Wow, look at all these zoo animal toys. Snake. Gorilla. Lynx. Badger. Hippopotamus. Turtle. Monkey. Giraffe. Frog. Deer. Amazing. Hello everyone, welcome to Pinoy Kids channel. Today we're gonna learn fun facts with these animal toys. We have some zoo animals in here that we're gonna learn some fun facts. So let's get started. Whoa. Snake. Snakes are carnivores, which means they only eat meat. They swallow their prey whole, which can sometimes be as big as themselves. Let's put the toys down on this log. Gorilla. Gorillas have long arms which are longer than their legs, and they use their arms to move around by knuckle-walking. Lynx. Lynx are known for their distinctive looks. They have short tails, tufts of black hair on their ears, and a ruff on the sides of their face. Badger. Badgers are excellent diggers, possessing strong four-limbed arms with long curved claws adapted for digging burrows. Hippopotamus. Hippos are herbivores, which means they only eat plants. They consume large amounts of grass each night. Turtle. The diet of turtles varies depending on the species, but most eat a combination of plants and small animals. Monkey. Monkeys have long arms and legs, which help them climb trees with ease. Giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest land animals, with adult males reaching heights of 18 feet. Frog. Frogs have a remarkable ability to breathe through their skin. They have thin, moist skin that allows oxygen to pass through. Deer. There are over 90 different species of deer. Some of the most well-known species include white-tailed deer, mule deer, reindeer, and elk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more zoo animal toy videos. We'll see you later.